Tell Grandma you had spaghetti for dinner.
Grandma!
Yeah, Grandma. Did you hear that? Say hi, Grandma. We're having spaghetti for dinner.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm back there.
Say hello. Say Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello. Say love you. Go like this. Whoa. Mason. Say yum 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 delicioso. Oh my goodness. Say Grandma, come give me a tubby.
Hey, uppy.
You want uppity?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Thea, what's the doggy say? What's the bunny say? What does the cow say? What does the bear say? What does the bear say, Mason? What does the lion say? What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the ducky say? Good buddy, quack quack. Can you say Minnie Mouse? Minnie. Can you say Elmo? Can you say Ernie? Can you say Cookie? Can you say Cookie Monster? Say I love you. We gotta go take a tubby. Say Mason, we gotta go take a tubby. Say tubby time. Say splish splash, Mason's taking a bath. Say bye bye, Grandma. Say bye bye, Grandma. Good job, buddy. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say goodbye. Yeah, we're home. Say goodbye. Say kisses. Oh, goodness me. Blow Grandma a kiss. Bye bye. Hurry up. Mwah. Okay. Night night.